Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I am Maulana. We are from class AK6 morning, group 1. We will present the progress of our project, which will be continued by Mora or Ananda.
Alright, first I will explain about the progress of our group work. We form subgroup to make work more effective. We look for source and information about SBAK through the internet. Had interacted with SBAK, but the head of the section was unable to fulfill the interview, and the staff was also not willing to be interviewed. Next will be discuss about the Polybatam Information Center, which will be explained by Cory. Thank you.
Polybatam has an information center, or commonly referred to as subdivision of academic and student affairs. Short as SBAK is a work unit in Polybatam which has two tasks of assisting with facilitation materials and providing service in the academic, student affairs, and Polybatam alumni fields. Number 1, Information Center Waiting Room. The waiting room at the Information Center functions as a building, or more generally, part of a building or room, where the use of the information center room is to wait for their turn to be called by an information center officer. So someone who wants to wait their turn can sit or stand in the central room. Number 2, ticket picking machine. Ticket retrieval machine serves to issue ticket in paper form. In the paper, there is a queue number. Its use is to minimize noise at any time, so a queue number is needed so students can queue in an orderly manner in the information central room.
Head of Subdivision of Academic and Student Administration. 1. Subdivision of Academic and Student Affairs, SBAK. It is an administrative assistant element in the field of academic and student administration, which is under and directly responsible to the head of BAAKPA, and day-to-day guidance is carried out by the head of BAAKPA in accordance with their field of duty. 2. SBK is led by a head who has the task of leading the implementation of academic and student administration activity in the polytechnic environment.
Okay, number 4, the head of SBAK has the following duties and responsibilities. A. Coordinate the implementation of the work program planning of the unit under it. B. Coordinate the implementation of academic and student administration service activities, including distance learning service, both at the central level and at the department or study program. C. Coordinate the implementation of activities for collecting quarterly progress reports on academic activities from each department or study program. D. Coordinate the implementation of socialization of academic and student provisions and regulations. E. Coordinate the planning, implementation, and monitoring of general course, citizenship, and religion.
Coordinate the administration of content development activities and utilization of academic information system application. manage the administrative implementation of content development activities using learning application or learning polybatam. Coordinate the implementation of material preparation activities from all related work unit for PDPT or EPSBED reporting. Prepare and submit timely reports related to the implementation of activities in the field of academic administration and humanity.
In carrying out the responsibilities, the head of SUB for academic and students administration has the following authorities: monitoring and supervising academic and student administration service activities at the central level as well as majors or study programs, performing analysis and checking the validation and accuracy of all proposals submitted by his subordinates, verify certificates, student ID cards, grade transcript, diplomas, legalize students' transcript and diplomas, verify decision letters related to the establishment and disbandment of students' organization, letters of recommendation requesting funds from relevant students' organization, letters of recommendation requesting the use of facilities for student activities, letters of recommendations for other students' organization outside the institution that will open a secretariat within the institution, related recommendation letters rental of students' dormitories, decision letters related to students' scholarship, provide an assessment of the performance of the work unit under it.
Okay, last slide is standard implementation strategy. Point 1, Polybatam makes a policy regarding new student admission. Point 2, SBAK plans a work program to achieve the specific acceptance standard. Point 3, SBAK, SBUM, UPTSY prepare facilities and infrastructure to support new student admissions activities. Point 4, SBAK and SBUM assessed by the department plan an effective promotion strategy to increase the interest of prospective students both domestically and abroad. Point 5, SBAK prepare and validate all selection methods for new student admission. Point 6, UPTSY prepare or provide an educate information system for new student admission. And last point is SBAK monitors the entire process of new student admission so that information can be conveyed accurately and on time.
It's all presentation from our group. If there is an error in speaking, we apologize. If there is an error, we accept criticism and suggestion. And for your attention, we thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.